Guys, welcome back to another video, and I am playing Animal Jam. So, I have my character here. Yeah, I changed it to a penguin because I wanted to. So just tell people that I don't record. So, I said that. Now, our goal is to really try. So, those two people just said hi. I'm gonna change this, and I'm gonna change. Okay, I got my regular. Okay, nope, it's still following. No. Okay, I got my regular cursor. So this person decides to laugh at me. 1 second, guys. So, um, I just promised this person something, and it's gonna be true. It's gonna be like you play. So well um. Just stuck on my screen. I promise I won't do this again. No. Lord, I wish this could erase this like really fast. Let me change that. So my den. Let's go see my den because I like rearranged it and stuff. So yeah, like stuff like that. And or I still left stuff on my screen. So I redid it and I got these well, you guys already know I had that. Wait. So you guys already know I have this. That like this diamond thing that you can buy because it's for diamonds, and I got these two. Wait, I got these two bunnies. You already know that. I got these two golden things, tiki fire things, and I got two statues. Wait, I moved that. That's that. This is this one right here. And I got some plushies. I got a mop bucket. I got my friends, quote unquote. teleportation things, but she left, so like that stuff. So like I really actually don't know what she's gonna do if she's like. So this person is really getting on my nerves. Like, I'm gonna change because, hey, what am I? Oh, fuck self. So, let's go and explore some den. Like, ooh, I know what I'm gonna do this week. Just kidding. What'd she say? Better shut up. It's gonna get punched in the nut. Let's go to Adipole. And if you guys didn't notice, you can like make yourself dirty. What I've been, well, don't mind me. I'm very new to this thing. But I cannot wait till this summer. Oh god, the value. Oh. I cannot wait till the summer concert because it's probably going to be like really, really fun. And we're gonna probably get to play different games under the thing. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Help, I'm stuck. Okay, I'm stuck. I'm gonna hide in this tree because she's so mean. Ooh. I'm gonna go around here. I'm gonna go shopping. How many gyms do I have? If I don't have enough gyms, yeah, I'm gonna go play some games first. Like falling pants. No, best dress. She's like so mean. Like, why you gotta be so rude? And I hate that song too because like she's not being rude. All he's saying is no, you can't have her. It's like a really silly song. No offense to all those people that like that song. So I'll pause the video from here on out and I'll wait till we like till the round is over. So guys, we're back. Got a new thing. It's called Dress the Strongest. And you know what I'm gonna get? I'm gonna get these. I'm gonna get this. Make ourselves like gray to show that we're strong. And like we're gonna have what else can make us look strong? Ooh, that's really good. And I think that's it. So I'm just gonna wait till this time is over. And wait. Well, I don't need that yet. Thought it's gonna lie. Wait. Wait. I'm not even voting for these people because they're so stupid. Seriously. But I'll see you later, guys. This is ABS Savvy here, and I'll see you later. Well.